Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! Back in Grammar 2.14.1, we learned how to talk about past experiences with 过. 我们看过 Avatar. We have seen Avatar before, at least once. 我们看过 Avatar. What if you want to say you've seen it more than once? A lot of people I know have seen Avatar more than once. So now let's learn how to say we have seen Avatar 3 times before. It's actually pretty simple. You just use the measure word 次, meaning once or one time. 三次 means 3 times. 看过3次 means you've seen it 3 times. 我们看过3次 Avatar. We have seen Avatar 3 times before. Alternatively, you can use 了 instead. 我们看了3次 Avatar. This just means you watched it 3 times. But 看过3次 means you've watched it 3 times in your life, ever. 看了3次 simply means you saw it 3 times, maybe recently. If you have trouble distinguishing 了 and 过, you can review Grammar 2.14.1. More examples. 他们坐过1次飞机. They have taken a plane once. 他们坐过1次飞机. We have shopped at this store once. 我们在这个商店买过1次东西. The object of this sentence can be a place. For example, 我们去过3次北京. We've been to Beijing 3 times. 我们去过3次北京. If it's a place, you can move 3次 after the place. 我们去过北京3次. We have been to China once. 我们来过1次中国. 我们来过1次中国. We have been to China once. Or alternatively, you can put 1次 at the end. 我们来过中国1次. Last week, I've been to the hospital once. 我上星期去过1次医院. Or you can put 1次 at the end. 我上星期去过医院1次. Or we can use a pronoun as the object. 我们找过他3次. 我们找过他3次. If it's a pronoun, then make sure that the pronoun is not put after 次. You must put pronoun between 过 and the number of times. 我们找过他3次 and not 我们找过3次他. Yeah, if it's a pronoun, you cannot put it at the end. 我都看过10次了，不想看了. I've already seen it 10 times. I don't want to watch it anymore. 我都看过10次了，不想看了. Let's see how Ken says it.
Hey Ken, 我想看 Avatar. 一起看吧。
我都看了10次了，不想看了。
Ken 说什么？我都看过10次了，不想看了。They've visited me once. 他们看过我1次。The teacher called me over twice. 老师叫过我2次。So that means I misbehaved twice, probably. 老师叫过我2次。And that's everything. You can review the material from your textbook under Lesson 14, Notes number 3. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 2 video course. We teach you grammar and vocabulary with 75 videos as well as quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 2 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you will have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery and I'll see you in the course.